Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again and welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the main important characteristics of the American accent of English. So this is the reduced sounds. There are many words in English that aren't supposed to be stressed when they're spoken in a sentence. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the reduced sounds in English, especially related to the American accent of English. So there are many reduced sounds, the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds in the American accent. Now let me quickly get into the examples of few of the reduced sounds within the words spoken in the American accent of English. So the first example of the word is from. Now, native American speakers of English don't say it as from, but rather the word from gets reduced to from. So in the word from, if you just elongate the word, if you just stretch the word a little bit from by saying it as from, here you can see that there is a vowel sound called aw, which is a vowel sound. So the vowel sound aw in the word from gets reduced to which is a short vowel, and thus the word from changes into firm. So native speakers of English, of those of the American accent, don't say I am from the United States of America. No, they're not gonna say like this, but rather they're gonna say like I'm from the United States of America. I am from the United States of America. Or suppose a person from India won't say that I am from India, but rather they're gonna say I'm from India. I'm from India. Now moving on to the second example of the word for. Now this word for gets reduced to fur. So what happens here is, if you elongate the word a little bit by saying it as for, here what happens is you can find there's a vowel sound called aw. Now in the word for, the vowel sound aw again gets reduced to which is a short vowel sound. So the word for gets reduced to fur, which corresponds to the spelling fur, fur. So native speakers won't say I got this for her, I got this for her, but rather they're gonna say I got this for her, I got this for her. And we again have another example, the third example, which is at, at, at. Now, they won't say at. In the word at, there is a long vowel which is a, which is a long vowel sound. Now in the word at, the sound a gets replaced to a short vowel sound which is and the T sound, that is the letter T gets replaced with a soft D which sounds like t, t. And the word at changes into ud. So native speakers won't say she is at school. She is at school. No, they're not gonna say like this. But they're gonna say she's at school. She's at school. And the last example is of the word was. Now this word was gets reduced to was. Now here also the same thing happens, that in the word was, the sound, the vowel sound gets reduced to the short vowel sound which is pronounced as So was changes into was. So people don't say I was out in the morning. I was out in the morning. No, they're not gonna say like this. But they're gonna say I was out in the morning. I was out in the morning. So these are few examples of the reduced sounds within these specific words. Now, of course, there are a lot more, and I hope that you are able to understand this important characteristics of the American sound. Thank you very much for watching this video.